Die-hard Duterte supporter or DDS fans of Alex Gonzaga are hating her. The celebrity host just featured Vice President Leni in her YouTube channel. While it has gained more than 2 million views, dislikes are also gaining count. Alex and her sister Tony are known supporters of President Rodrigo Duterte. Because of the vlog, Alex is flooded with haters. But the video with the VP has also given her new followers.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.